Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide share counts, likes or comments on your Instagram posts. This is a really handy feature if you want to keep your metrics private and focus on your content. So let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version because this feature is only available on the most recent updates. Once your app is updated, open Instagram and tap to create a new post. You can select a photo or a video. For example, I'll choose this video. After selecting it, tap Next. Now on this screen, scroll down and tap More Settings. Here you'll find the option Hide Share Count. Simply turn it on. This will hide the share counts from everyone else, but you'll still be able to see your numbers privately if you want. You can also use the same setting to hide likes or comments on your posts, giving you more control over your Instagram feed and keeping your account looking clean. And that's it. Once you post, your share counts, likes, and comments will be hidden from the public. It's a small trick, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.